Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break on the internet.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Teral and welcome to my channel. Today I have got a new video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this easy, like super easy hair tutorial. I make 2 videos a week that are all about fashion, beauty, travel and lifestyle. So if that's anything that you guys enjoy watching, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to see you guys around again. So today's video, like I said, is this hairstyle, super easy hair, and yeah, just really easy second day hair. You know when your hair starts to feel like, oh, looks a little bit oily and you know, don't really want it all down kind of thing. It's a bit hot, you know, you kind of want your hair out of the front of you, and summer days, you know what I mean, girls, when it gets too hot and you just want your hair kind of out of your face, but you still want it to be down because it still looks really, really nice. It's one of those easy hairstyles that I've been doing for a very long time. You can actually just do one side, so you can flip it if you've got like a side parting. You can flip it all to one side and clip one side back. Because I do have a centre parting, I always do 2 sides. It's whatever you prefer. You could also do with these up. I like to leave these down. It just makes me feel a lot more feminine having a little bit of hair on the front of my face. Yeah, so I'm going to get into the tutorial straight away. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing to my hair today, but it's going to be one of my day 2 summer hairstyles that I've been doing while I've been away recently. I've basically just brushed my hair out. I had it curled yesterday, so I've just brushed it all out and it looks like a lion's mane. My hair is in such bad condition at the minute actually. So much sun damage and washing my hair every day, meaning that I have to re-add heat to my hair every day, has literally killed the ends of it. So I am due a haircut really badly. So I'm just going to brush my hair out again. Looks a bit more maintainable like this, doesn't it? I'm going to add the new Lee Stafford Cactus Crush Dazzle Doss. It's a weightless cactus super juice to hydrate, soften and make hair glisten. So I'm going to add that to my hair a little bit. So I'm adding 2 pumps in. Oh, it's quite a nice texture. It's not too oily. And oh my god, and it smells divine. Oh wow. And it's 50 millilitres as well, which means it's perfect for travelling, so that's good. Oh my god, honestly, wow, that's just made my hair look incredible, to be honest. So that's all in my hair now. I'm also going to protect my hair and I'm going to be using the VO5 Express Primer Spray. Only add heat to the end of my hair anyway, and then I'm gonna let that all kind of dry and soak in on my hair, and then I will start styling my hair once that's all kind of dry, because you don't want to do it when the hair is still a little bit wet. Okay, so now that that's all kind of dried, I'm just gonna brush it out again, and oh my god, it just feels so smooth. I'm using my Babyliss curling iron, putting that up to 200 degrees, and I'm just gonna split my hair as well now. I'm gonna split it in half, like the lower end, so like I'd say a quarter at the bottom, and then clip all of this up and then split that in half. And I'm going to split this part into 2 because I want quite large curls, and take the bottom section and curl it around the iron. And again, not all the way up, and then I'm going to release it and kind of drop the curl into my hand. So this gives a very loose curl, which is exactly what I like. And then move on to the next section. And I kind of start from the middle top and I pull it all the way down after clasping it, and then wrap it around like so. And then again release it gently like that. Can you see? Very loose, large curls. Depending on where I'm going, is I sometimes pin these up. When I pin curl my hair, personally, it means it lasts a lot longer for me. And then I'm going to do the same on this side.
24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. You want you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. We want you to return.
I'm just gonna curl the rest of my hair in sections and I'll be back. So this is what the hair looks like when it's curled. So I've brushed this side out, but I haven't brushed this side out. just to show you what it kind of looks like. If you were to leave your hair after you just curled it, this is what it would look like. But personally, I prefer this kind of side, which is much more like natural, kind of flowing. So literally just get one brush and just brush it through gently like that. So that is how I curl it. And then coming to the styling part, don't really know what I want to do. But what I am going to do is, because like I said, it is day 2 hair, I'm going to be using the Chlorine dry shampoo. And it's a French brand, love it. Been using it for a while now, and you just squeeze it out like that. And then pat it in. And it also gives volume, as well as obviously getting rid of those oily roots. Just added a bit more to the back as well, and all of this volume. I think I want to do a bit up, bit down. So something like that. So all I'm going to need is a few curly grips. So I'm going to separate my fringe area, because I feel like that is just super elegant. When you do leave a bit of hair at the front, it just looks a lot more feminine as well. So I want to clip it up like that, and so I'm going to tease a little section of the hair. So brush it up and then tease. And this brush is really good because I can literally do anything with it. And then brush it back up. And I've kind of twisted, so the bottom part of the hair kind of twists to become onto the top of the hair. And then I get my curvy grip using the rigid edge. I can't even say it. Using the like rigid edge like that, up from the bottom upward, right where the hair joins. So using the rigid edge at the bottom. So that one went that way, and now the next one's going to go that way, like so. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Separate it, brush it backwards, making sure that it's similar size pieces, and then split the hair, brush it up, but trying not to brush the ends, and then tease slightly that area. Make sure all the front area looks good, and again twisting the bottom edge up. I'm getting my clips and clipping this part here, and then into the opposite direction, so that the two clips kind of cross like so on your hair. Am I the only one who kind of like uses their teeth to open these hair clips? Okay, then I'm just going to go in with some hairspray, and on the ends as well, so that my curls don't drop any further. And like I said, it's not a really curly look, because I didn't want to go for something like that. I just wanted something quite natural that looks like I just woke up and just did my hair really quickly. And to be honest, it is a very quick kind of hairstyle. I'm using the L'Oreal Professional Infinium hairspray, one of my favourite ones. Been using it for a very long time. It doesn't leave your hair feeling crispy, which is nice, and I'm happy with the curl. If I'm not happy with the curl, I can go back, but it's quite loose and quite freeing, and you can wear it like this behind your ears, or you can have your hair to the front, which also looks really nice. So that is basically what I like to do with my hair in the summer when it's like day 2.
Now he's bleeding diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn up, baby.
So there we have it. That is my super easy hair tutorial for like day 2 or even day 3 hair, to be honest. As long as you use a little bit of dry shampoo, no one will know. It gets rid of all of that grease, and it also gives you a little bit of added volume and texture to the hair as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
But he's not the